Hello and welcome to HD Revit. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to model this simple house step by step in Revit. And how are we going to do that? I'm going to show you some steps and then I will leave you with some exercises so that you might practice what you come to learn right now. Now for the next step, I'm going to show you how to make this roof structure that you see here. Now to do that, I'm going to select this top roof and I'm going to go to the north elevation. And we're going to use copy and drag this copy somewhere around here, and I'm going to select this one and change the type into sheet metal roof, and yeah, go back to 3D. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to hide it. Now the next step is to go to select this roof and turn it into a sloped glazing. And let's go to top view, and now we have the opportunity to make this as a curtain wall. With the curtain wall we can add grids and mullions. This will serve us as the roof structure. Now let's pick the curtain grids and then we are going to place them at a distance of 100 centimeters each. I place this one and change the distance. Let me place another. Change the distance like that. Let me place another one. This is a little bit trickier because this one is on the edge. Therefore, it has to be carefully done here. I don't know what is wrong. I can even use this one here. Let me place it at 100. What is the spacing? 100. Okay. Let me go ahead and finish this exercise for you and I will be back. Here we go. We have all the vertical and horizontal grids placed. Now we can place the mullions. This is what we can now see. And let's go to mullions and then let's pick all grids, and then when we hover over this system we are able now to place the grid system like this. It's very simple and straightforward. What I did, I took this because it was a curtain wall, and then what I did, I changed the material from metal, aluminium to something which looks like wood, and I also changed some dimensions of the rafters. After that, we are now going to click here on reveal hidden elements, and now I'm going to select the hidden roof, and then I will say unhide and toggle reveal hidden, and now we have everything in place. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select it once again, go to the north elevation, and we are going to move it down to a position that is correct like this. And now when we go to the 3D, we see what is happening. So what I'm going to do here is to kind of extend this roof beyond the roof structure to kind of simulate the reality. I'm going to go to level 2, and then now I selected this one and I'm going to go to this. I'm going to put like 60 or 70, yes, 70 centimeters like this. That's too much. I put 60, and I will select this one. I'm going to put 60. Same here. and I'm going to do the same. This is going to be 180, and that's it. So here we can also do it if we want. There's actually no problem. We're going to make it 25, I think. No, this is not what I'm thinking. Okay, so this one is going to be something a little bit different, because yeah, this is, let's add I think it is going to be 70. Yeah, like this, and we hit OK to finish this one. I will not attach. And now let's check everything in 3D in its position, and let me go to the north elevation to check this roof overhang, and that is perfect. All right, go to the south. That's great.